Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to disable auto delete on Pet Simulator X on Roblox using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your mobile device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open Pet Simulator X on your device. Okay, and now as you can see at the left side of your screen, you can see the auto settings option. Okay, the two green arrows. So just go ahead and click on that. And here at the auto delete section, you want to click on keep. Okay, so just go ahead and click. Okay, and now as you can see, all of the buttons are delete, right? So that should disable the auto delete on your Pet Simulator X. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.